Oromia and the Oromo people #culture_2 We will briefly describe the duties of a Gada class as it passes through the above grades. The Dabali are sons of the Gada class who are in power, the Luba. They are boys up to 8 years of age. Thus this is a stage of childhood. Upon reaching their 8th year, they enter the fall grade. At this age they are allowed to go further away from their villages and to perform light work. At 16 years old, they enter the Kandala. They may now go long distances to hunt and perform heavy work. 3 years before the Kandala ends, those of the Gada class come together and nominate the future group leaders, Hayu Council, who eventually will constitute its presidium and thereby the executive, judicial, and ritual authorities. The final election is preceded by an often lengthy campaign of negotiations. After nomination, the candidates tour the region accompanied by their supporters to win the backing of the people before election. The individuals will be elected on the basis of wisdom, bravery, health, and physical fitness. In the Kisa grade, the previously elected leaders are formally installed in office, although they do not yet assume full authority except in their own group. This is one of the most important events in the life of the individual and the Gada system overall. In the next grade, Rabadoriai, members are allowed to marry. This and the Kisa grade constitute a period of preparation for the assumption of full authority. At the end of this period the class members enter Luba or Gada, the most important class of the whole system, attain full status, and take up their position as the ruling Gada class. At this stage the system comes to a stop momentarily and all men move to the preceding class, vacating the last class, which is the immediately occupied by a new class of youth who thus begin their ascent of the system's ladder. The former ruling class, the Luba, now becomes Yuba. The Yubas, after passing through 3 separate 8-year periods, are transferred to the Gadamajajai class. Then they enter the final grade called Jarsa and retire completely. As described briefly above, when the Oromo man passes from one stage to the next, his duties and way of life in society change. For instance, during the grades of Kandala, Kisa, and Rabadoriai, the individuals learn war tactics, Oromo history, politics, ritual, law, and administration over a period of 24 years. When they enter the Gada class or Luba at the age of about 40 years, they have already acquired all the necessary knowledge to handle the responsibility of administering the country and the celebration of rituals. It ends with partial retirement of the whole group of elders to an advisory and judiciary capacity. The following are the Gada officials and their duties according to the Toilama Gada practice. 1. Ababuku, President. 2. Ababuku, First Vice President. 3. Ababuku, Second Vice President. 4. Abachaf, Chairman of the Assembly, Chaff. 5. Abadubai, Speaker who presents the decision of the Presidium to the Assembly. 6. Abasira, Memorizer of the laws and the results of the Assembly's deliberations. 7. Abaalenga, Judge who executes the decision. 8. Abadullah, in charge of the army. 9. Aba Saa, in charge of the economy. Excerpted from Oromia, an introduction, by Gadam Elba, Khartoum, Sudan 1988. #2_B_continued